show you how to use the adjustment brush tool in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we're just going to the left column, click on this this brush. This is the adjustment brush tool. Here at the top, we have we can select what kind of adjustment we want to do, and here it's just that simple. So here you can add the plus or a minus, which means that what you are doing is going to increase or decrease the set adjustment. And yeah, you can play around with it. You can create some interesting things. And I guess that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.